I want us to look at CSPR CASPER. It's been a while I do a video about this bad boy. I still believe in Casper, trust me. Even though I'm not holding Casper for now, but I'm trading Casper. I'm not holding it like an investor, but I'm trading Casper on different exchanges. I'm looking at the right time to buy Casper. So I think there's still something yet to happen with Casper. So today I want us to look at what they have been doing, talk about it, look at the charts, see key areas where we can expect to buy and cash out some profit. So if say you are new here, this is the Betong Crypto where we talk about cryptocurrency. We learn everything crypto here. If you want to be part of our community, feel free to go below this video. There's a link there to join my free Telegram community and also to join my free trading community. Like the video early and subscribe. Let's dive right away into this. Now, I have been going through CSPR Casper, and I've seen that they had like a hackathon, or maybe it's still gonna happen in the future. And I think the community is active. You can see this happened in Ankara, Turkey. They are lecturing students on how to build on Casper network. So the blockchain is active. The blockchain is working, right? And what they are doing now is trying to bring in more developers on the blockchain to use the blockchain to build on the blockchain. And this might reflect on the chart later. Like if say we see a killer project launch on the CSPR Casper network, then there's high chances that the price of Casper is going to pump as well. And if say we don't see more investors, buying long term, holding their bags, then we might not see the price skyrocket anytime soon. But let's just say this project is here to stay, or this blockchain is here to stay, and is going to be here for a long time. It means that when we start seeing money pouring back into altcoins, this coin is going to be among the coins to pump or to do well. Okay? I mean, guys, I'm not here saying go and buy Casper, go and no. Don't get me wrong. I know most of you have mixed feelings about Casper already. That is dumping, it's not a good project, and the team, blah blah blah. I hear you. I hear you. I'm not yet telling you otherwise. Like they are the best, they are this or they are that. What I'm trying to say is, based on my experience, when a project is a blockchain and the team keep building, keep trying to network, we might at one point see a killer project launch on that blockchain that can cause the price of that asset or the governance token of that blockchain to skyrocket to the upside. That's what I'm saying. Maybe Casper might pump, maybe not. Don't get me wrong. And if it pumps, good. If it don't pump, good. Now, going to the chart of CSPR Casper, let's establish some key areas here. So this is Casper on the 1 hour time frame. What do you see here? We see vector candle, this one. Okay? For CSPR Casper to continue this move to the upside, at least I want to see price get to this fair value gap. Well, you can argue that price is around that area, which is okay. Okay. Yeah. At least we should expect price to retrace back here. You see? So we can argue that price have at least recovered something from this. But I'm still thinking we should come a little bit downward, towards this area. But if say price stays there, it's still fine. It's gonna be respecting this area, yeah. All right. And you can take the right to the 100-day moving average, which is the high. They have the high for yesterday, I think, around the 100-day moving average price point. And if we see, like, I did a video today about USD dominance. You can go and check that video in my live stream. I explain a lot about what we need to see in altcoins, or what we need to see USD dominance do, and what we need to see Bitcoin do before altcoins are going to do well. So make sure you go and watch that video to get proper understanding as to what we might expect from altcoin if USD dominance is going to do what I mentioned in the video. Now, looking at the past, you can see that CSPR Casper has been below the 50-day EMA on the 1 hour time frame. Okay? So when can you start looking at that buy opportunity? When you see price flip and stay above the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, wait for retracement. If price retrace back to the 50 EMA and hold, then that's your confirmation. Can do something like this, hold, then you buy to the upside. Okay? For now, it's not safe because price can still do something like this and come back down. Okay? Now, I want to go to the alpha trend to see what the alpha trend is doing here. The alpha trend has printed a buy signal. You can see on the 1 hour time frame. If you look at the last time we saw the alpha trend signal, it was a sell signal around this area. And this sell signal was initiated by this candle. This candle here initiated that sell signal. So I want to mark it for future reference. You can see, ever since this sell signal was created, price has been gravitating around that area. That's why the alpha trend is one of my top indicator and it's free of charge. Free of charge. You don't have to pay anything to get this indicator. All you need to do is learn how to use it. I've created videos on how to use the alpha trend. So if you really want to understand how to make use of this powerful tool, then just watch my videos, for that. But you can see, if you understood how to use the alpha trend, the moment you saw this sell signal and this rejection multiple times, this would have mean, sell or get out from your CSPR Casper until you see price flip back that zone, then retest it. It's easy, guys, to trade any coin out there if you understand how that coin moves. In this case, if we are to see price move to the upside, this is a zone we should expect price to go to short term for CSPR Casper. And this might happen this week or next week. I think it's going to happen. Now, if we are to measure this from where we are to up there, we are looking at about 25% gain for this bad boy. So pay attention to this. Now, you want to buy this when you see price flip and stay above the 50 EMA, come back, retest it, hold. That's when you are buying. You can buy when it does something like this, up, down, up. It's simple as that. Now, going to the higher time frame, like the weekly setup, you can see this doesn't look good at all, right? But we can drop now down to the daily time frame, and at the same time, you see that this doesn't look good. Price has been staying below the alpha trend. We want to see at least price flip and stay above the alpha trend before we can consider being back. Or maybe we can have some, let's say, hope to go and target this high, this high, because you can see we have been dumping ever since we left. This was a zone I mentioned back then that we don't want to see price break and close below. So if we are gonna get back there, it's gonna be good for CSPR Casper on the daily time frame. Okay. Now that we have talked about all time frames, it's up to you to decide what you want to do with this bad boy. Do you want to buy this bad boy right now? Trade it on the 1 hour time frame, as I mentioned, or you believe in the future of the project and you want to keep buying regardless what price is doing. Do you? I do me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm someone who comes here to share based on educational purpose only. If you want to trade CSPR Casper, you can trade it on Mexi Global. The link is found below this video. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.